Remember, please subscribe, like, and share because education continues rewards in this world and after for those who know. So, please share it. Effect of pressure on melting point regelation. Solid which expands on cooling, their melting point decreases with the increase in pressure. This phenomenon is called regelation. Experiment. Take a fine copper wire and attach to its both ends suitable weight. Place the wire across the block of ice. Observation. The copper wire sinks slowly through the ice and after some time weight fall to the floor and the ice block however remains in one place. Explanation. Large pressure acting below the wire decreases the melting point and ice beneath the wire melts, hence the wire sinks in water. Water above the wire will freeze again due to normal pressure at 0°C centigrade temperature, and this process continues until the wire cuts through the ice block without cutting the block into two pieces. Effect of pressure on the boiling point of water. The boiling point of water increases with the increase in pressure and decreases with the decrease in pressure. This can be proved with help of following experiment. Experiment. Take some water in a round bottom flask and heat it. Water will boil. After some time steam produced due to boiling and expel the air out, and after some time there will be nothing inside the flask except boiling water and steam. Make the flask airtight and stop heating. Invert the flask on the stand. Pour cold water on the bottom of the flask. Observation. We will observe that water will start boiling at the temperature at that time which is below 100°C centigrade because due to pouring cold water steam inside the flask gets condensed and developed to low pressure there. Result. The experiment clearly shows that boiling point decreases with the decrease in pressure. We can also prove that boiling point of water will rise due to increase in pressure. Pressure cooker is used in our home as the application of this. Evaporation. Conversion of liquid into gaseous state without boiling is called evaporation. Explanation. According to molecular theory of matter, every material body is made up of molecules, and these molecules are in continuous motion. Water is a matter, so its molecules at the surface are experiencing less attractive forces as compared with those molecules which are inside. Hence, from the surface, those molecules which are more energetic will be overcome the attractive forces, and hence they will escape out. And same as evaporation. The factors favoring evaporation. 1. Nature of liquid. Liquid with low boiling point evaporate more rapidly than those with higher boiling points. Alcohol evaporate more rapidly than water. 2. Temperature of liquid. Due to higher temperature, molecules of liquid at the surface will have more Ke and chances of escaping will increase and evaporation will be fast. This can be seen while ironing clothes under a hot iron. Wet cloth dry out quickly as the water evaporates quickly. 3. Surface area of the liquid. If the surface area of the liquid is increased, evaporation rate will increase. Unwanted liquids are spread over larger area for quick evaporation. 4. Dryness of air. Drier the air. Ice, the less water vapor contains, the quicker is the rate of evaporation. In rainy season, when the air has a lot of moisture in it, clothes take much longer time to dry. 5. Wind speed. Higher speed of wind will increase the kinetic energy of liquid molecules at the surface and hence causes more evaporation. 6. Air pressure on the surface of liquid. If the pressure on the surface of liquid is lowered, its rate of evaporation shoots up. Cooling by evaporation on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. According to kinetic molecular theory, molecules of liquid constantly move at random throughout the volume of the liquid. Velocities of these molecules differ great due to surface tension. Attractive force prevents the molecules from escaping, but when fast-moving molecules reach the surface of the liquid, they escape outside the liquid since they take away a lot of kinetic energy from the liquid. Hence, the total kinetic energy of all the remaining molecules decreases. Hence, the temperature of the liquid decreases as the temperature of liquid is increased. The rate of evaporation also increases if the surface area of the liquid is increased. More molecules will escape. If the rate at which molecules leave the liquid equals the rate at which molecules re-enter the liquid, then the air over the surface of liquid is said to be saturated. Refrigerator. Principle of refrigerator. Cooling take place due to evaporation. This is the principle upon which refrigerator works. Freon is a gas which can be easily liquefied under pressure at normal temperature and then evaporates rapidly. That's why it is used in the refrigerator as refrigerant. Construction. Refrigerator consists of the following three main parts: 1. Compressor, 2. Condenser, 3. Evaporator and cooling working. Compressor. The gas is first compressed in the compressor by high pressure. Condenser. The gas is fed into the condenser where it is liquefied under pressure. Evaporation and cooling. The liquefied gas is then led through a valve into the evaporator. In evaporator, the liquid of Freon evaporates under normal pressure by absorbing a lot of heat from surrounding area, thus cooling it down. The gas is again brought to the condenser with the help of compressor where it is again liquefied. This cycle is continuously repeated.